Hello, my name is John Jarbo, and I'm a Technical Marketing Manager at Sencha. The Sencha platform helps you rapidly build data-intensive cross-platform web applications that deliver the right experience on the right screen at the right time. Ext JS provides a modern, object-oriented JavaScript framework with hundreds of beautiful, dynamic, high-performance HTML5 controls, robust data and layout managers, easy customization, and accessibility. In this video, I'm going to talk about how our calendar control can help you easily view and manage schedules, calendars, and events. The calendar control is available as part of the Ext JS Premium package, release 6.2 or later. Calendar management is notoriously difficult, given the wide variety of calendar providers and personal preferences. Many organizations have developed homegrown solutions, only to find that they're too limited and do not meet the needs of users. The calendar component in Ext JS helps you avoid that expense by offering a fully functional, flexible calendar that accommodates the needs of enterprises and users. Calendar events might range in duration from a few minutes to many days, and working with such a wide variety of time spans requires different perspectives. The Ext JS component gives users the flexibility to zoom in or out over different time frames so they can see the appropriate level of detail. The views are based on standard Ext JS views, which you can easily subclass to customize for your needs. Managing events is as simple as dragging or clicking them. For applications that have geographically distributed users, the views provide a simple time zone configuration which can be hidden under the covers or bound to a user control. In addition to dealing with different events at an appropriate granularity, users need to juggle events from multiple calendars, perhaps incorporating personal, work, and team calendars. The Ext JS component makes it easy to consolidate these into a single view. This makes it easy to avoid scheduling conflicts and see everything at a glance. Users can select or deselect calendars from the list if they wish to toggle them in the display. As with other Ext JS controls, adding a calendar control is as easy as instantiating a calendar panel with some configuration options, including the store to use. Since it's an Ext JS app, you can of course customize the look and feel via the standard means, and the object and event models afford you the opportunity to customize behavior. The list of calendars comes from an Ext JS store, and each calendar is itself a store which contains the calendar events. Since they're both based on the store class, your developers can leverage the powerful Ext JS object model to customize behavior to work with local or remote resources, and to customize the data model for events. You can even work with external calendar providers such as Google Calendar. By leveraging the Ext JS calendar component, development teams can easily add a fully functional calendar to their apps without investing a lot of effort addressing special cases. Instead, they can leverage the clean, object-oriented design to couple flexible views with diverse backends to provide consistent, user-friendly schedule management capabilities with minimal effort. More information and videos about Ext JS and the Sencha platform are available on our website. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to check back soon for more videos about Sencha products, and visit sencha.com to find out how we can further support your development needs.